A growing health concern is leaving millions of Americans with damaged teeth and damaged jaws.
Yeah, we're talking about an epidemic of teeth grinding fueled by the stresses of modern life. We take a look at this alarming trend and what you can do to protect your smile. Dentists are seeing a surge in patients with worn down teeth and jaw pain, all caused by teeth grinding. Victoria Harkins, a nurse at Harbortown Hickenbotham Family Dental, says she's noticed a significant increase in these cases.
Working in the dental field, we do see a lot of people that come in that do have wear and tear on their teeth from grinding. Most of the causes of grinding is stress related.
Harkins attributes most teeth grinding to stress and surprisingly admits to being a grinder herself.
I am a grinder. I do notice that I do grind, especially when I wake up in the morning. Near your jaw area, your muscles get really tense and sore. Just like, if you're working out any other muscle. You have, the sores and the cramps.
To combat teeth grinding, Harkins recommends wearing a mouth guard, especially at night.
Yes, I do recommend a mouth guard. They do make over-the-counter mouth guards, which work great. They do not hold up for a long period of time because it's just not a good material, but it does work meantime. We always do recommend to go see a local dental office about the grinding and getting an appliance made for you to wear specifically at night.
Harkins says that while mouth guards can help alleviate wear and tear, they don't necessarily stop the grinding. She also says that teeth grinding tends to affect adults more than teenagers.
We don't see that many, teenagers that grind. It's most of the time from 20s and above. Most definitely when, the kids start going to college and everything and doing all the, extra work. They get real stressed out, they grind, and, most of the time adults, we see 30s and above that grind. So it's really not, it's kind of just different age groups, but you don't see it really in younger age groups.
She showed us a model to demonstrate where teeth grinding typically affects the jaw.
The muscles are all back here, and it's called your TMJ, but the muscles that helps you move, so when you open, you can feel the muscle open. So now when you close it and you just grind around side to side, you're making those muscles move. So it's more located around the closer to your ear area, go down your jawline.
And this epidemic of teeth grinding is a wake-up call to prioritize our oral health. Remember, stress can have serious consequences on our teeth and jaws.